This stylish text effect is easier than you think. Stay with me and let's create it step by step in Illustrator. Type your text. Set the font and size. Reduce the letter spacing until the characters are almost touching each other. Right-click on the text and choose Create Outlines. Now apply a gradient color. Adjust the gradient colors to any colors you like. Right-click on the text again. Go to Transform. Then choose Reflect. Select Horizontal and click Copy. Now move the new text downward until it sits perfectly below the original text. Create a rectangle. Change its gradient so it looks like this. Now select both the reflected text and the rectangle. Open the transparency panel and click Make Mask. You can fine-tune the mask here if needed. And that's it. You now have a beautiful text reflection effect with a smooth fade. It's that simple. Like and subscribe for more step-by-step Illustrator tutorials.